How to fix TikTok not opening. If TikTok won't open or keeps crashing on your phone, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help. First, close the TikTok app completely, then open it again. If it's still not working, restart your phone and try opening TikTok once more. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. If TikTok still won't open, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. You should also check if your phone has a software update available. If it does, install the update and try opening TikTok again. If the issue continues, uninstall TikTok from your phone, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After reinstalling, sign back into your account and check if the app is working. If none of these fixes help, the problem may be with TikTok's servers. In that case, wait a little while and try again later. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix TikTok if it isn't opening. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.